The energy sector has been one of the few bright spots for job growth in the U.S., particularly in Texas, which is often called the unofficial energy capital of the world. But the oil price crash is forcing some energy firms in Texas to now lay off thousands. CCTV's Ginger Vaughn has the story.
Are you interested in working in the energy industry?
College junior Bethina Campbell says she's still optimistic about getting a job with an energy firm, but relieved she's not graduating this year.
I have friends who have internships in the summer lined up with big oil companies, and unfortunately they're getting their internships taken away from them because the big oil companies don't need as many internships anymore. They don't, or as many interns.
Campbell is an accounting major specializing in energy law. That puts her on track to make a lot of money. The global average salary in the oil and gas industry was more than $81,000 in 2013. In Texas, it was $108,000, making the energy sector one of the highest paying in the world. But hiring has gotten a lot tougher for oil companies. The price of West Texas Intermediate crude has dropped by more than half since June 2014. Schlumberger, Halliburton, and Baker Hughes announced they would cut 9,000 jobs worldwide. Goldman Sachs says layoffs could reach 60 to 70,000.
When it comes to getting an entry-level job, new college graduates may want to look beyond the energy sector. While oil prices remain unstable, it may not have bottomed out. Some schools are saying now is the time for students to get advanced degrees or to explore internships or employment opportunities.
There are other industries that are doing very well, and you can still get a job in your field. It may not be in the energy industry this year, but if you build your skills in your field, you could move to the energy industry later when things pick up.
Belin, who teaches career development, says energy firms that used to do a lot of hiring are going to fill positions from candidate pools they already have, instead of new graduates.
I would be nervous if I was a graduating senior, but like I said, I have a year and a half before I have to worry about that.
While that sounds like a long time, if current trends continue, Campbell may have to consider other options. Ginger Vaughn, CCTV, Houston.